All right, welcome to eLeague Online, where we will focus on logging into your account and creating a new event. Once we've logged in using your email and your password, now we're coming to the home screen where we will add your event. Hovering over Manage and clicking your events brings up your page where now you can create a new event. We have three options here: doubles, individual, partner, and singles. And in this case, we'll choose that doubles individual. In the name, we want to have a consistent naming convention. So let's number the event. We'll say what day it is. We'll say the gender. And let's talk about the level and put that there as well. Once we've added that information, we'll copy that and put it into the description, which we can use at some point in the future. Selecting your start date will auto-populate the end date to 7 weeks. Pick a season. Let's go one round per day. And if we are recording these scores to Duper, we'll simply check that box so that the scores are recorded. This event is now listed in your All Events page. You've got the highlighted name there, the schedule, the Duper recording, and the type. Now it's time to add players and build that round. We navigated away from that events page and now moved over to the operations and the build round page. In this case, I need to refresh so now I can see that event from my drop down here at the top. And all players that are associated with my club are already pre-populated in this section. Now I can simply click into the box and scroll and find the player's name, or I can click into the box and start to type the first few letters of their first name or their last name. You'll see as I add players, my player count is updated, and if their Duper ID is associated with their profile, you'll see that over on the right. In this case, I'm going to add 10 players. All players are active. That little green icon is illuminated. And now I want to build the round. And when this happens in that doubles individual, I have the option. Do I want a ladder, which is 2 courts with 2 groups, 5 players each, or do I want a round robin, which has 1 group, 10 players, and 2 courts? You'll see the fixtures were automatically generated based on the order of the players on the previous screen. Everything looks good, so now I want them to get playing. They've played their matches, and I have their scores written down, so now I'll enter them into the system. In a future video, I'll show how you can print those scores, or how you can have the players scan the QR code so they can enter their own scores, which will update in real time. I'm finishing game 4 and now entering score here for game 5, and I can click save. Once I've saved, I see my leaderboard and my cumulative board have updated, and now it's time to lock the scores and push them to Duper.